Alaska is an incredibly beautiful state. I mean, there's just so much to do. One of the truly special things about Alaska is its fishing.
Sort of a last-minute thing. We contacted Mike Adams and he happened to be available, and he took us out to this amazing location. I've never been salmon fishing before, but it's something that I've always wanted to do.
We started off by using some spin rods and some lures, which André actually was successful at capturing a salmon.
I landed the first salmon of the boat.
Woo! Nice, André.
We were fortunate enough to spend some time with Mike Adams, a really great guy, really knowledgeable.
Pretty psyched. That's me psyched.
Who took us down the Kenai River.
Mike was really great in terms of giving us and understand the behavior of the salmon, in addition to all the techniques and all the information we needed to know, even for someone who was just starting out. His explanations were simple, and it was easy for us to be able to catch the technique. I've done some fly fishing before, but this is the first time ever fly fishing for salmon.
It's really calm and relaxing as you're throwing out the line, waiting for a bite, and you almost get mesmerized by the water and by your surroundings. But then, when you get that first snag of a salmon going after your lure, everything changes. The excitement, the electricity, telling us where to guide the fish, how to bring it right to his net.
Sockeye! This again? Hold it tight. All right, guys.
And Mike was fantastic guiding us along the way, and I think both André and I just had an incredible experience.
Beautiful. Beautiful sockeye.
We insisted that everyone fish, even our main cinematographer, Charlie.
It was really rewarding, and all of us got our limit.
At the end of the day, Mike filleted up the fish for us, took care of us.
It was an experience not to be missed.
And we'll definitely be back again.